All right, let's keep working while our brain muscles are hot. Now we're going to go over to day 26.2, our second list comprehension exercise. So head over there, pause the video, read through the instructions, and try to complete the code exercise. I'll see you on the other side where we'll go through the solution together. Pause the video now. Okay, so in this exercise, what we're trying to do is we're going to take this list of numbers and we're going to write a list comprehension to create a new list called results. Now, we're only going to need one line of code again because we're going to be using a list comprehension. And what we're going to do with our list comprehension is to take only the numbers from this list of numbers which has an even number. We should basically end up with only the 2, the 8, and 34 because every other number in this list is odd. We're going to create our results, which is our new list, and then we're going to put in our keywords. So it's going to be new item for item in list. And because this time we're not taking every single item from the original list that we're looping through, we're going to need to add a if statement to make a conditional test. So let's start with the easy thing. The list that we're going to iterate through is our list of numbers. Each of the items I'm going to call num. And for each of those numbers, we're going to test to see if the number modulo by 2, which remember means number divided by 2 and then get the remainder. If that remainder is equal to 0, well then that means that that number is even. If you remember from previously, we could use modulo to check if a number has any remainder. So if I do 3 modulo 2, you can see that has a remainder of 1. But when I do 6 modulo 3, that has no remainder because it can be cleanly divided. So now that we've tested if each number modulo 2 is equal to 0, well then if that test passes, then that particular number that passed the test is going to be welcomed to this new list of results. So now when I hit run, you can see the result that I get is the same as my expected results. Now we've got one final list comprehension exercise for you. So head over to the next lesson and complete the exercise.